Hello everyone and welcome back to Home Decor. Today we're stepping into the charming world of antique cottage, farmhouse, and vintage styles, where every piece of furniture tells a story. If you're passionate about beautifully painted and upcycled furniture, you're in the right place, and hey, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and join our community of creative minds. In this episode, we're exploring the magic behind stylist and similar inspirations. Where the old becomes new and the forgotten gets a new lease on life, it's not just about furniture, it's about preserving history and creating something uniquely beautiful. Upcycling isn't just a trend, it's a sustainable way to decorate your home. Let's dive into some amazing transformations and tips on how you can create your own farmhouse charm. The journey begins with finding that perfect piece. It might be a worn-out chair, a vintage table, or a rustic cabinet. Places to look? Thrift stores, garage sales, or maybe even your own attic. Once you've found your gem, it's time to bring your vision to life. This is where the fun begins. Choosing colors, deciding on a style, and maybe adding some unique touches like stenciling or distressing. Remember, it's all about letting the character of the piece shine through. Don't be afraid to experiment with colors and textures. Now, how do you integrate these pieces into your space? Whether it's a cozy cottage vibe or a more eclectic farmhouse feel, it's all about balance and harmony. Mix and match different elements, but keep a cohesive theme. Think about how each piece contributes to the overall ambiance of the room. Upcycled and painted furniture isn't just decor, it's a statement. It reflects a love for the past and a commitment to sustainability. And the best part? You end up with a space that's uniquely yours. I hope this episode inspires you to look at old furniture in a new light. There's so much potential waiting to be uncovered. So grab that paintbrush and let's create something beautiful together. If you loved these ideas, hit the like button and share this video with fellow vintage enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiration. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.